15th of May. It is 5:15. I am doing a very late end of day record for last Friday. So if we go into MT5, we can see that we made a total of $675. The majority of the trading was done on the US 30. So essentially we could see that we were going through this uptrend. It went and pierced through this river band, came back and then went back up. Sorry, went down and then went back up. I got in on the second time around, rode it down to this horizontal line that I had set up, and that ended up being quite a good decision as it didn't go any further than that. Essentially what I had there, we'll try and see if we can zoom out. Essentially, I can't see anything in particular, but I could see that there was this area here of where it was trying to pierce through, and so I didn't want to go anywhere near that. And so you could see that if you line that up, it pretty much lines up perfectly. So I was happy with that take profit. That probably would have been the first one, which would have been here, about 260. And then as it went up again, touched the river band, got in again, and got in again. And overall, I think that was, well, as you can see here, roughly either break even or maybe $100 or whatever it was. Because it had run away from me a little bit, I wasn't really looking for attacking. I was just trying to not lose anything. So feelings towards that, I wasn't stressed at all. I knew I was in the right spots. I wasn't doing anything bad. It just seemed to be unfortunate that it rode away from me. And so, look, I could have gone down further, and that's something I'm trying to practice instead of getting out too early. But I'd rather be conservative than, because in the past, I know for a fact that if we go back to this example here, I have had my take profit down in this zone. It never went there, and then it just completely rode away from me. So I have had it happen on both accounts. So, it is what it is. Outside of that, moving to the British pound, there wasn't as much there. So, essentially we had this example here. If we zoom in, I had this horizontal line set up. I was a little bit frustrated just because I had this set up to have a sell, and I would have missed it by 1 or 2 pips. It basically kissed it, came back down and didn't place, which would have been a really nice trade. And so when I had the opportunity again, I made sure that I got in. And so I brought my entry level slightly lower than this horizontal line I had set up, just to absolutely make sure I would get in. And same thing, just got in, was happy to take, a couple of $100, and that was kind of me done for the night. So that was Friday night. I was at dinner with my mum and dad, so I wasn't watching it crazily. I wasn't trying to really grind anything out of the market. I was just set some alerts up, went to the dinner table. When it pinged, it came over, took the trade, and was happy with that. So overall really, really positive. Obviously we had that little loss on Thursday, and so to get back out in front, we can see that that's a nice angle that it's going at. So we're at a total of 3652. And that's where we're at the moment. Next, we'll do the daily analysis for Monday the 15th. Thank you. Bye.